Today, human communication and socialization have become predominantly virtual. One can't disregard the new virtual entertainment blast. A great many people have moved their social and business connections to their telephones or PC. Government-issued money acquisition of land are very known about. Yet virtual buy land through virtual monetary forms is an altogether original idea. Check this outline before we start with Decentraland cost forecast. In light of the Ethereum blockchain with an undeniable record of proprietorship, the Decentraland foundation of the game has been made to join an all-new command over the virtual place that is known for clients who can now buy, construct, and adapt augmented reality applications through Decentraland. Decentraland, specialized examination and authentic information. What should be seen here is that right from initiation, and according to the most recent news and venture counsel by crypto specialists and experts, the coin showed no development and lay languid with practically no beam of expectation for clients, despite the fact that there were changes and improvements occurring in the innovation of blockchain. This resource stayed lazy to move an inch. At the starting time, the cost of Decentraland cryptographic money was around 2 cents in December 2017. Afterward, it flooded and crossed the 24 cents mark, however confronted dismissal and recovered past help level. The Decentraland cost didn't actually stamp huge developments and kept on exchanging a comparative cost range till the start of this current year. Then, at that point, as though with the power of a torrent wave, the coin cleared its path through numerous different partners. A blast time, i.e., the bull driving the mana pursue, really emerged from December 2020 when the resource climbed to the Decentraland cost of around 80 cents. Till April 2021, mana kept on showing a similar pattern, when the cost of mana shot up to another high of $1.56. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting another high, the mana kept on remedying downwards, and the Decentraland cost plunged underneath 65 cents. Afterward, the mana coin set apart till the finish of October, and afterward it recorded a sharp climb which took the Decentraland cost above $3.50. From that point forward, the money kept on exchanging with critical bullishness. In the last November, Decentraland denoted another unequaled high of $5.90. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting another ATH, the mana cost confronted critical revision which took the Decentraland cost around the $2 mark. From that point forward, the cost of Decentraland recaptures its cost level around $3 mark. The vast majority of the computerized coin costs have been reflecting colossal unpredictability, and there is a high gamble in crypto exchanging during unstable periods. Our suggestion to the brokers is to carry out their own groundwork, market conjecture prior to exchanging to limit the gamble in question. Very much like numerous digital currencies, the mana crypto can be bought through cryptographic money trades like Binance and Huobi worldwide. Decentraland value forecasts, market opinion. Going by the specialized examination, Decentraland cost has had a notable journey all through contrasted with other computerized resources, and that could be the main role for its prominence as well. The ongoing cost of Decentraland digital currency remains at the worth of $3.04 with a market cap of $5,637,457,701.47 with a 24 HRS exchanging volume of $1,231,753 with a flowing mana supply of 1,832,129,198 mana, and in most recent 24 hours the Decentraland cost has been changed by 6.09%. The specialist's mana cost investigation and Decentraland mana value expectation should be visible as underneath. Market specialists have 2022 value forecast of $5.30. This mana gauge addresses a move of 86% this year. In like manner, while the feeling encompassing the mana crypto has been profoundly negative before, the wallet financial backer expresses that mana is supposed to offer 450% return for money invested by 5 years to Decentraland financial backers. The mana cost is estimated to reach $3.39 by the start of February 2022 according to our cost forecast. As per Decentraland cost forecast 2022, the normal greatest exchanging cost is $3.43. The base exchanging cost of mana tokens is $2.33 in 1 year. The Decentraland for the finish of 2022 is $3.45. As per our mana crypto forecast, the coin could fill triple in the following 5 years. It ought to have a reasonable bulk on around $8 to $9, making it a drawn-out wise venture. The typical cost is supposed to stretch around $6 by the following year. As per Mana Decentraland cost forecast 2024, the cost will leap to $6 in the main portion of the year. Mana coin cost forecast done by specialists predicts that during the primary portion of 2022, the cost can ascend by 46% and 120% in the following 5 years. Conquering all obstacles. Mana is set to hold a benchmark for its exhibition, drawing in a significant financial backer local area outperforming all assumptions regarding in general development. The Decentraland cost expectations for coming years is recorded underneath. Decentraland Value Forecast 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks ahead for the digital money market, Decentraland token is good to go to support serious areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among numerous financial backers and traders. According to the positive Mana conjecture and future market capitalization, the street ahead is loaded with petals gave the financial backers certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Decentraland cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling above $4.80 in the market of the crypto according to our fair crypto gauge for the year 2022 Decentraland Mana cost expectation. As per the ongoing value pattern and gauge, clients ought to contribute at the current crypto market costs to acquire huge benefit from here on out. Decentraland gauge by specialists recommend contributing at the ongoing value level might give extensive revisitations of merchants in the close to term, and they would have the option to pursue a choice whether they ought to contribute or sell Decentraland. As per the cost expectation for Mana, the crypto cost will reach $5.10 by 2022. The anticipated Decentraland cost can additionally ascend to $5.80 by the December. Market investigators gauge the Mana to exchange around $8 toward the finish of the following year, which is 279% of the ongoing cost at the hour of composing. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. Decentraland has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. In light of our Decentraland cost conjectures, these highlights can help the Mana token addition a lot greater cost of $6.70 in 2023. If the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the crypto may try and see a worldview rush according to our Decentraland Mana cost expectation 2023. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024. Examining Decentraland Mana cost expectation for the year. There are many gauges proceeding for Decentraland, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the organization has plans on. There are not many Decentraland gauge that the Mana cost might reach $8 in the crypto market. Decentraland Value Expectation 2025. Decentraland is additionally dynamic in local area drives and through which we are hopeful about the Symbolic's future development as far as various elements like costs, volume, overhauls, and so forth, taking into account they keep up energy earning a critical market capitalization. Their drives with an emphasis on training, effort, and developments. According to Decentraland cost forecast, Mana token might cost to an apparent degree of $10 post-conquering the mental opposition level as its drawn-out cost in 2025. Decentraland Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that all markets turn good, in 2026 Mana, a computerized resource is set to break all obstructions and perform richly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. Mana would definitely give indications of fortune for its clients according to our fair crypto figure, as indicated by the future cost forecast. According to the Decentraland cost patterns and verifiable information, the Decentraland cost may effectively contact $12.50 before the year's over 2026.